Hello everyone and welcome back to the Price Action Mastery Academy. Today, I'm excited to share with you a recent trade that I took in the Bitcoin market. Using my price action strategies, I was able to secure a 3R profit on this trade. I'll be walking you through the setup and how I navigated the market to maximize my gains. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of price action trading. I will show you the trade I took yesterday on Bitcoin. Yesterday was a profitable day for me and I made approximately 5R in profits. First, I made a 2R profit from my short position and then I opened a long position. The long position was risky and I took a 0.5R risk, but then I saw that the price was holding and I added more to reduce my losses and bring it to break even. I ended up making a 3R profit. Now I want to show you the details of my long position. Let's get started. Before entering a trade, the first thing to do is to analyze the market structure. Our job is not to play diagonals by gambling, but to make science using price action. So when analyzing the market structure, you need to take a step back and focus on the big picture. I usually trade in 15-minute time frames. So let's look at the market structure in a 1-hour time frame. Don't forget, you should first analyze the market structure on the daily and then on the 4H. I didn't do this because I'm going to trade in 15 minutes. If you're not experienced, your priority should be HTF analysis. You can see a sharp rise. Upon closer examination, we see a sharp rise followed by a consolidation. In 1 hour, this consolidation has turned into an accumulation. Then the price has risen again and created another consolidation. Now we must ask ourselves, will this consolidation be accumulation or distribution? Based on the area that the range we drew has broken out, we can predict this. However, you should always keep the possibility of deviation in mind. Now let's examine our range. Within the range, the bullish MSB was formed and the price broke through the RH, but retreated back into the range. There was a deviation. After the deviation, the price that returned to the range is inclined to first test the EQ region. When the price reaches this area, you should be on the trigger for new positions. Then the price came to test the order block again. I also had a profitable day here. Price found support from the OB and reached the RH again but was unable to close above it. It retreated back to the EQ region but did not go further down. This is a sign of strength. Seeing the price hold was sufficient for me. Now let's go back to 15 minutes. I just want you to focus on this area. We know that the price is holding at the EQ zone in 1H. Let's analyze the market structure now. The price is falling from RH to EQ zone, finds support at OB and creates a great breakout candle with MSB. There is also a breaker due to the buying liquidity. I have a lot of confirmations for long trade, but I still wasn't fully confident because the market was in the expensive region in HTF. I put a safe stop. If I put a hard stop, my profit would have been amazing, but we don't act greedy. There is always opportunity in the market. I entered the trade and increased my position by making additions in appropriate places. I shared my trade in a community post as soon as I took it. Please don't forget to follow my channel and turn on notifications to stay informed. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this trade analysis and learned something new. Remember, consistent profits come from a solid understanding of price action and the patience to wait for the right setups. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.